Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, we have completed unit number 7, that is sports. So in today's session, I am going to start with the next unit, that is unit number 8. Okay, the next unit is world around us. Okay, so this is the next unit that we are going to start in this session, that is unit number 8, and the name of the unit is world around us. So in unit number 8 we will discuss about the certain topics that are revolving around us. So हमारे आसपास की दुनिया में जो है, that is present, that was something that has happened in the history. Okay, so all these topics, okay, in this unit we are related to that the things that are already revolving around us, जो हमारे पास में already हैं या हो चुकी हैं और मे बी होने वाली. So basically this is just simple thing that we are having all around us. So that's why the unit name is the things around us, world around us. So the first topic from the unit number 8 is famous landmarks. So this is the first topic that we will discuss in the today's session, that is famous landmarks. Okay, so this is given at page number 14. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 14, that is famous landmarks. The topic is famous landmarks. Okay, and this is given at page number 14. Famous landmarks. So what is the meaning of famous landmarks? तो famous landmarks का मतलब क्या है बेटा? Famous landmarks का मतलब first of all famous थोड़ी landmarks. So what is the meaning of landmark? So landmark means something that has its self identity. कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिसकी खुद की कुछ आइडेंटिटी हो. So if I talk about the landmarks, okay, तो देखिए, so whenever you give an address, suppose you आपने कुछ ऑनलाइन शॉप किया है and you have to give the address for that. आप उस पर अपना एड्रेस भी भरते हो कि कहाँ पे जो ऑनलाइन चीज़ की डिलीवरी होगी, तो वो आपसे ज़रूर पूछेगा दैट व्हाट इज़ द लैंडमार्क. तो वो आपसे लैंडमार्क पूछता है. लैंडमार्क मीन्स तो ऐसी चीज़ बताइए जो बहुत ही वहाँ पे बहुत ही फेमस हो, जो वहाँ के लोगों को उसके बारे में जानकारी हो, सो दैट वेन एवर द डिलीवरी बॉयज कम फॉर डिलीवरिंग योर प्रोडक्ट, सो ही कैन आस्क अबाउट द लैंडमार्क एंड देन ही विल बी ईजिली एबल टू रीच योर एड्रेस. तो यहाँ पे हमेशा लैंडमार्क का मतलब होता है कि ऐसी चीज़ जो कि बहुत ही फेमस है एंड एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट इट. ओके, दैट इज़ नोन एज अ लैंडमार्क. दैट कैन बी अ प्लेस, दैट कैन बी अ शॉप, दैट कैन बी एन स्कूल और एनीथिंग. ओके, तो कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी जगह जो भी बहुत फेमस है उसको हम बोलते हैं लैंडमार्क. सो हेयर इन दिस टॉपिक वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द फेमस लैंडमार्क्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. तो दुनिया के बहुत से अलग अलग लैंडमार्क्स हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ. So can Noi and you identify these famous landmarks? So here it is given कि क्या आप ये जो famous landmarks हैं आप इसको identify कर सकते हैं. So they have given certain clues about these famous landmarks. So we have to identify these famous landmarks and give the answer. Okay. So starting with the first one. It is the oldest of the wonders and only one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world that exists today. They were built on the bank of the river Nile near Al-Giza, Giza in the modern Egypt. So now we are talking about one of the very oldest 7 wonder of the world. तो दुनिया के जितने भी पुराने ancient wonders हैं उसमें से ये इकलौता वंडर है जो कि दैट इज़ स्टिल एग्जिस्टिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द ओनली और द ओल्डेस्ट वन ऑफ द 7 वंडर्स. दुनिया में जितने भी 7 वंडर्स हैं बेटा, उसमें से ये सबसे पुराना और इकलौता 7 वंडर 7th वंडर है, 7वां अजूबा है जो आज भी एग्जिस्ट करता है. सो वट एंड ये कहाँ है? ओके, सो दे हैव गिवन दी लोकेशन फॉर ऑफ दिस वंडर एज वेल. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द ओनली वन ऑफ द 7 वंडर्स ऑफ द एंशियंट वर्ल्ड दैट एग्जिस्ट टुडे। तो पुराने टाइम से आज तक में सबसे पुराना जो ये हमारे वंडर्स हैं उसमें से ये एक था, एंड ये आज भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, इकलौता बचा है जो आज भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, बिकॉज बाकी सारे दे मस्ट हैव बीन डिमोलिश, पुराने होने के बावजूद हो सकते हैं वो डिमोलिश हो गए हों। ओके, दे वर बिल्ट on the bank of river Nile, and this was built on the bank of river Nile. So what is the name of this seventh one? What is the name of this famous landmark? So this is Pyramid of Giza. This is Pyramid of Giza. So here we are talking about Pyramid of Giza. हम Pyramid of Giza की बात कर रहे हैं क्लास। Okay, so they were built on the bank of the river Nile, and the Pyramid of Giza is built on the bank of river Nile. तो ये नाइल नदी के किनारे इजिप्ट में, okay, so it is located in Egypt on the bank of river Nile. So Nile river is the longest river in the world, so you all are very well aware of it. Okay, so Nile is the longest river in the world, and these pyramids, they are located on the bank of river Nile, and the place where these pyramids are located, that place is known as Giza. Okay, तो पहले इसको अल जिज़ा बोला जाता था, but now it is also known as Giza. So that's why these pyramids are also known as Pyramid of Giza. इनको Pyramid of Giza भी कहा जाता है। और Pyramid of Egypt, they are also known as Pyramid of Giza. So this is one. Okay, the first point is that they are the most oldest and only one wonders that are still existing today. Okay, second is it is located on the bank of river Nile. Okay, and the place where it is located on the Al Giza, the place that is known as Giza as well, and here we are talking about the pyramids. Okay, so that is known as Pyramids of Giza. So the answer for the first one is Pyramid of Giza. So I'm talking about Pyramid of Giza. So we are talking about Pyramid of Giza. Second one, they are believed to be gardens laid out on a mountain slope. Their exact location is unknown, but they are believed to have existed near the royal palace in the Babylon, now in Iraq. So the next famous landmark that we are talking about, that is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. So I have told you the name of this famous landmark that is known as the Hanging Garden of the Babylon. But there is a certain facts about this Hanging Garden of Babylon. So it is a quite mysterious hanging garden that is located in Hanging Garden of Babylon. ये जो Hanging Garden of Babylon है, that is a quite mysterious garden. So how it is mysterious? Mysterious means अजूबा अचंभा क्यों है? The reason is they are believed to be the gardens laid out on the mountain slopes. ये कहा जाता है कि this garden of Babylon, it is located on, it's a kind of a garden that is located on the slopes of the mountains. तो ये पहाड़ों पे बने हुए जो पहाड़ों की जो slopes हैं, okay, वहाँ पे बना हुआ it's a beautiful garden that is located on the slopes of mountain. तो माउंटेन स्लोप्स के ऊपर लोकेटेड है, माउंटेन्स के ऊपर, ठीक है, पहाड़ों पे ये लोकेटेड है। ओके, देयर एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन इज अननोन, बट nobody exactly know that where it is located exactly. Nobody is किसी को पता नहीं कि exactly where this hanging garden of Babylon is exactly located, but it is believed, but ये माना जाता है that they have existed near the royal palace in the Babylon. Okay, that is a place in Iraq. So Babylon is the name of a place that is in Iraq, and this Hanging Garden of Babylon, its exact location is unknown, but the people, they believe that they are located near the royal palace in Babylon. तो वहाँ की जो रॉयल पैलेस है, रॉयल पैलेस मीन्स द किंग, जो वहाँ के जो इराक के जो किंग हैं, उनके जो पैलेस के पास दिस हैंगिंग गार्डन ऑफ बेबीलोन इज लोकेटेड देयर. Okay, so this is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. It is located Its exact location is unknown to everyone. Okay, nobody is aware about the exact location of this Hanging Garden of Babylon, but it is believed that it is located in the near the royal palace in the Babylon, that is in Iraq nowadays. Okay, now they are believed. Okay, so one more thing is that it is but it is believed that ये mountain जो okay, that is it is located on the mountain slopes. Okay, but ये believe किया जाता है कि that this is a kind of a garden that is located on mountain slopes. So you can see the picture that is given in your book as well. So this is the picture. Okay, देखिए ये mountains बने हुए. This is the mountain here. Okay. So you can see this is a mountain. यहाँ पे देखिए आपको दिख रहा है greenery and greenery everywhere. So this is a palace that is made on the mountain slope. तो ये एक palace है जो कि mountain slopes के ऊपर बना हुआ है, पहाड़ी के ऊपर बना हुआ है, और उसी में ये garden भी वहीं पे है. Okay, so this is what is the name of this beautiful garden laid on the mountain slopes? That is known as Hanging Garden of Babylon. That is Hanging Garden of Babylon. So I'm writing here that is Hanging Garden of Babylon. Hanging Garden of Babylon. Okay. Moving next to the third one. The third one is, it is a large decorated statue of Zeus, the Greek god, sitting on his throne. It was made around 430 BC. It was placed in a huge temple at Olympia in the Greece. Okay, now we are talking about a very beautiful statue of God Zeus. So जैसे कि we have God, देखिए हमारे भगवान हम बोलते हैं साईं बाबा हैं, राम शंकर जी हैं. So वैसे ही the Greek people, they also believe in God, and this statue is the statue of their God, that whose name is Zeus. तो Zeus उनके एक भगवान का नाम है which they worship. Okay, so here we are talking about the statue of Zeus. Now what is the statue of Zeus and where it is located? So it is a large decorated statue of Zeus. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा Zeus का एक बहुत बड़ा statue है, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी मूर्ति है. The Greek god. Okay, so Zeus is a Greek god. Okay, so this is the name of a Greek god, and it's a very big statue of the Greek god Zeus, sitting on his throne, जो कि अपने throne के ऊपर, अपनी गद्दी के ऊपर बैठे हैं. This is तो ये जो उनकी statue है, that looks like that the god, okay, the Zeus is sitting on a throne. It's a quite very big statue. It was made around 430 BC. So the period at which it was made, इसको कब बनाया गया था? This statue of Zeus was made in the 430 BC. Okay, 430 BC में इसको बनाया गया था. It was placed in a huge temple at Olympia in Greece. And इसकी ये जो statue of Zeus है, इनके इस बड़े से स्टेचू को ओलंपिया में एक बहुत बड़े टेम्पल में, दैट इज लोकेटेड. ओलंपिया इज द नेम ऑफ द सिटी, ग्रीस इज द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री, एंड देयर इज अ वेरी बिग टेम्पल दैट इज लोकेटेड इन ओलंपिया, ग्रीस. ओके, दिस स्टेचू वाज प्लेस्ड देयर. Okay, so what is the statue? The statue is of the god, that is a Greek god, that is statue of Zeus. Okay, so it is a large decorated statue of Zeus, the Greek god, sitting on his throne. It was made around 430 BC. It was placed in a huge temple at Olympia in Greece. So the name of the statue is that is statue of Zeus. So I'm just writing the name of this statue, that is statue of Zeus. Z-E-U-S. That is the statue of Zeus. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, this is one of the largest man-made structures on earth. The ancient Chinese built it to protect themselves from the outside attacks. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the very largest man-made structure in the world. तो दुनिया के सबसे बड़े man-made structure की बात कर रहे हैं. That is located in China. So this is one of the largest man-made structure of the made by the Chinese. Okay, that is the Great Wall of China. So we are talking about the Great Wall of China. So this Great Wall of China was built by, actually it was built by the different rulers during the different period of time, but it was started by the construction of Great Wall of China was started by a Chinese king whose name is Xuangdi. Okay, Xuangdi is a Chinese king, okay, who has started the construction of Great Wall of China. तो Xuangdi जो थे उन्होंने Angri. Okay, so his name is Xuangdi. So he has started the construction of Great Wall of China. Okay, and this is one of the largest man-made structures in the world. ये दुनिया के सबसे बड़े man-made structures, man-made means इंसानों द्वारा बनाए गए structures में से एक है. Okay, and why this Great Wall of China was built? So this Great Wall of China was built to protect the China from foreign invaders, foreign attackers. तो चाइना को बाहर के जो अटैकर्स हैं, इन्वेडर्स हैं, घुसपैठिए हैं, अटैकर्स हैं जो पे हमला करने वाले, उनसे बचाने के लिए दिस ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना वॉज बिल्ट. Okay, its construction was started by Xuangdi, one of the king of the Chinese Empire. Okay, and one more thing about this is Great Wall of China is that it is not constructed by one only एक पर्टिकुलर किंग ने नहीं बनवाया. तो मतलब जैसे जैसे किंग्स, देखिए दिस इज क्वाइट अ वेरी बिग लार्जेस्ट वॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. सो डेफिनेटली लॉट्स ऑफ पीरियड जो इसको बनने में बहुत साल लगे होंगे. Okay, I'm not sure about the number of years that I used for constructing this Great Wall of China, but definitely the lots of years were there. And उस टाइम पीरियड के दौरान जो किंग रहा उन्होंने इसकी कंस्ट्रक्शन कंटिन्यू करवाते रहे so that they can protect their empire, they can protect their country from the foreign invaders and the attackers. So what is the name of this largest man-made structure in the world? That is known as Great Wall of China. So write down the answer for the fourth one. That is Great Wall of China. That is Great Wall of China. Moving next to the fifth one. This sandstone palace is in Jaipur. It has more than 900 windows called Jharokha. Now, okay, so there's a little bit change that I want you to make in your book. तो जहाँ पे लिखा है more than 900 windows, वहाँ पे लिखिए more than 365 लिखिए. Okay, so it has 365 windows called Jharokhas. Okay, तो देखिए so now we are talking about one of the very beautiful place in our country, that is Jaipur. So Jaipur में आपको पता है बहुत सारी ancient या historic places हैं. So one of them is the Hawa Mahal. So here we are talking about the Hawa Mahal. So this sandstone palace is in Jaipur. So now we are talking about a palace that is located in Jaipur, which is known as Hawa Mahal. Okay, it has more than 900 windows called Jharokhas. तो इसमें यहाँ पे लिखा है more than 900 windows, but actually there are 365 windows. Okay, but actually वहाँ पे कितनी windows हैं? There are 365 windows. Okay, and जैसे यहाँ पे 900 लिखा है, but बेटा यहाँ पे चेंज 365 इसलिए करवा रही हूँ बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल एक्चुअली, मतलब जब आप एक्चुअली यहाँ जाओगे तो वहाँ उसके नीचे देखिए, जब भी आप किसी हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस पे जाते हैं तो उसके नीचे अक्सर आपको उसके बारे में कुछ हिस्टोरिक इन्फॉर्मेशन दी होती है. एंड वही मैंने रेड किया था, आई हैव जस्ट रेड माई सेल्फ दैट वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है दैट दिस हवा महल हैज़ 365 विंडोज़, बट इन द बुक इट इज़ रिटन दैट इट इज़ मोर देन 900, बट दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. एक्चुअली दे आर 365 विंडोज़. ओके, सो वन विंडो फॉर वन डे, दे आर 365 डेज इन अ ईयर. उसी के हिसाब से वहाँ पे एक साल के हिसाब से एक विंडो बनाई गई. तो दे आर 365 विंडोज़ एंड दीज विंडोज़ आर नोन एज झरोखास. इन विंडो को क्या बोला जाता है? दैट दीज विंडोज़ आर नोन एज झरोखास. ओके, so what is the name of the palace? The palace name is Hawa Mahal. The palace is Hawa Mahal. So this sandstone palace is in Jaipur. It has more than 900 windows called Jharokas, and this is Hawa Mahal. So the answer for the fifth one is, that is Hawa Mahal. Done. Moving next to the sixth one. The sixth is, it is in the New York. It was given by the people of the France to the people of the United States to celebrate the friendship between the two countries. So now we are talking about one of the very beautiful statue in the world, that is Statue of Liberty. So you must have heard about the Statue of Liberty, and it is being believed, there's information that's something given about the statue. This is located in New York. Okay, so Statue of Liberty, it is located in New York. ये New York में है. Okay, it was given by the people of France to the people of United States to celebrate the friendship between the two countries. तो ये कहा जाता है कि that this Statue of Liberty was given by the people of France to the people of United States. तो जो फ्रांस के लोग हैं उन्होंने ये जो स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी है वो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के लोगों को गिफ्ट की थी एज अ सिंबल ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. सो टू इंक्रीज द फ्रेंडशिप बिटवीन दीज टू कंट्रीज, इट इज़ बीइंग बिलीव्ड, ओके, कहा जाता है, और एक्चुअली इट इज़ दैट इट इज़ दिस स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी इज़ एक्चुअली गिवन बाय द पीपल ऑफ फ्रांस टू द पीपल ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स टू सेलिब्रेट देयर फ्रेंडशिप. ओके, एंड इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन द न्यूयॉर्क सिटी ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. तो ये यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में लोकेटेड है. So what is the name of this statue? That is known as Statue of Liberty. So in which एक हाथ में उसकी मशाल है. Okay, it is holding a lamp in its one hand, and the other hand it is holding a book. Okay, and this is one of the very famous statues in the world, and it is इसको स्थापित कहाँ किया गया? It is installed in between the sea in the United States. Okay, तो ये समुद्र के बीचों बीच एक बड़े से ऊंचे से प्लेटफॉर्म पे it is being installed. So what is the name of this statue? That is Statue of Liberty. That is Statue of Liberty. Liberty. That is Statue of Liberty. Moving next to the seventh one. So now we are talking about another very beautiful landmark in the world. Okay, so it is named after its designer and engineer Gustave Eiffel. So now another landmark जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, this landmark is named after its engineer. Okay, जो जिन्होंने उसका the engineer who has made the blueprint or who has designed this famous landmark, उन्हीं के नाम के ऊपर इस लैंडमार्क का नाम रखा गया है. द नेम ऑफ द इंजीनियर हु हैज़ बिल्ड दिस ब्यूटीफुल लैंडमार्क, इट इज़ नोन, हिज नेम इज़ गुस्ताव एफल, और उन्हीं के नाम पे एफल टावर, ओके, दैट इज़ लोकेटेड इन पेरिस, फ्रांस. सो एफल टावर इज़ नोन एज अ सिंबल ऑफ लव, ओके, एंड इट इज़ लोकेटेड इन पेरिस, फ्रांस, okay, and it is named after the engineer, okay, and the designer who has built the design, who has made the design of Eiffel Tower, okay, that is Gustave Eiffel. तो Gustave Eiffel उन्हीं के नाम के ऊपर इस Eiffel Tower का नाम रखा गया, and it is located in Paris, France. So I'm just writing the name, okay, that his name is Eiffel Tower, EIFFEL, that is Eiffel Tower, TOWER, that is Eiffel Tower. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 7. The first is Pyramid of Giza, second is Hanging Garden of Babylon, third is Statue of Zeus, fourth is Great Wall of China, fifth is Hawa Mahal, sixth is Statue of Liberty, and the seventh is Eiffel Tower. Okay, chaliye. So here a little bit more information is given. Noe is going to on a world tour to visit the following landmarks. Draw the lines to match the landmarks with the countries where they are located. So here they have given the name of the landmarks, and on the other side they have given the name of the country, and we have to match the name of the landmark with the country to which they belong. Okay, so in spite of them matching it, I'm just going to write the answers in front of it, and you can match it in your notebooks. Okay, so here the name of the famous landmarks is given. Okay, so here they have mentioned the name of the landmark, that is landmark, and here they have mentioned the name, and we have to mention, or we have to match the name of it with the name of the country to which it belongs, or where it is located. Okay, so the first one is Taj Mahal. The first one is Taj Mahal. So where is Taj Mahal located? So it is located in our own country, India, that is in Agra. So Taj Mahal is located in Agra, India. The answer for the first one is, where is Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is located in India. So we have to mention the name of the country only. So I'll just write down India. Okay, हमें यहाँ पे city का name mention नहीं करना है. So we have to mention the name of the country only, that is India. So Taj Mahal is located in India. Okay. Second one. The second is Empire State Building. So where is Empire State Building located? So Empire State Building is located in United States. So this is a very famous building in United States. Okay, so Empire State Building is located in United States. That is Empire State Building. Empire State Building. So Empire State Building is located in United States. Empire State Building is located in United States. Moving next to the third one. The third is Colosseum. The next is Colosseum. C-O-L-O-S-S-E-U-M. Colosseum. Colosseum. Where is Colosseum located? So Colosseum is located in Italy. So it's a very famous landmark in Italy. So Colosseum is located in Italy. I-T-A-L-Y. So Colosseum is located in Italy. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is Big Ben. So Big Ben के बारे में आपने सुना होगा. That's a quite very long clock tower in London. So Big Ben is located in England. London is the name of the city. Okay, England is the name of the country. So Big Ben is located in England. E-N-G-L-A-N-D. So Big Ben is located in England. Moving next to the fifth one. The fifth one is Machu Picchu. The fifth is Machu Picchu. So where is Machu Picchu located? So Machu Picchu is located in Peru. Machu Picchu is located in Peru. That is Machu, M-A-C-H-U, Machu Picchu. P-I-C-C-H-U. That is Machu Picchu. So Machu Picchu is located in Peru. It is located in Peru. So these are the answers. Okay, so these are the name of the famous landmarks and the name of the countries in which they are being located. Taj Mahal is located in India. Empire State Building is located in United States. Colosseum is located in Italy. Big Ben is located in England, whereas Machu Picchu is located in Peru. So these are the answers. So you can match it with proper line. Okay. Chaliye. So this was from my today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.